iOS 26 not installing on your iPhone? Are you running into some errors like the update not showing up? It keeps checking for update and shows unable to check for updates. Stuck on preparing update, update requested, paused, unable to download or install, or the update is taking a long time, or you're getting the software update failed error. Don't worry. Here are a few easy steps to get iOS 26 installed on your iPhone. If you're not getting the iOS 26 update, then you should check whether your iPhone is compatible or not. Then you should also make sure your iPhone has enough charge, ideally which is 50%. You can also keep it plugged into charger if possible while updating. If cellular data is turned on, then turn it off and keep only Wi-Fi enabled. Then also ensure your iPhone has enough storage to install the update. It's always better to have some headroom. Still getting errors? Then ensure that your iPhone has stable internet connection. But if it's not your internet, then what? Just go back one step, open iPhone storage, and here you should see the iOS 26 file. You just need to delete the file, go back to software update and start over. This time you shouldn't face any errors. Still not solved? Then instead of keep trying on your iPhone, what can help is installing the update using your Mac or Windows PC. For Mac devices, just connect your iPhone to your Mac, then confirm the pop-up on your iPhone, and your Mac will instantly detect an update. If it doesn't, then just open the Finder, and from there, you can check for iOS 26 and install it on your iPhone. And in case you have a Windows, just install the iTunes app from Microsoft Store, connect your iPhone, select Trust this computer, then just click on the iPhone icon from iTunes app. The rest of the process is exactly the same. But in case you're still facing some issues, then you can always reach out to Apple very easily by installing the Apple Support app, choosing your device and issue. Then you can scroll down to contact Apple directly. Hopefully this video helped you out to get iOS 26 on your iPhone. Let us know your feedback and I'll see you around.